To improve your battery life on a Motorola Moto G15, first let's open the settings on our device. Then we can browse through all of the features that may consume a battery inside of the settings. So we're gonna start with the display. Now inside, the first thing is brightness level. So if you're using a lot of brightness, for example 100%, this will increase your battery consumption. So I would suggest to lower it, and at the same time disable extra brightness, which will also lower your battery consumption. Next thing is a dark theme. So if you activate this option, it will change your display background to the black or dark color, and at the same time lower your battery consumption as well. Then I'm just going to enable that for the purpose of the video, but I recommend to turn it off. Then the next thing is to make sure that your screen timeout is set to something lower than 5 minutes. So for example, the optimal one is probably 1 minute or 2 minutes. Sometimes you just forgot to lock your phone, and this will prevent your phone from just keep being on, and prevent the lots of battery consumption as well. Then let's go back and scroll down to the actual system. Then you'll be able to find the performance, and right here, if you deactivate RAM boost, it will also slightly lower your battery consumption, but at the same time may lower a performance of your device. So just be sure of that. Now, when we have everything in the settings that may consume more battery, we can focus on the things in our notifications tab or quick settings. So swipe down from top of the screen, and here first check your notifications and see if there's something running like a timer or anything else that is basically running and consuming battery. So you can just try to swipe any of the notifications and then try to find something that may consume battery. Sometimes, as I said, your timer may be running and it consumes a lot of battery. Next thing is to check quick access icons, and right here try to also disable anything that may consume battery. There's a Wi-Fi. If you don't need it, then you can disable that if you're using mobile data, and vice versa. If you're at your home and using Wi-Fi, then disable your mobile data to save that energy. Then we have things like Dolby Atmos. Actually, this won't consume a lot of battery, only actually it won't consume any battery, so you can stick with that. The same with the wallet, NFC, it doesn't consume a lot of battery. Things like airplane mode also doesn't consume battery. Bluetooth, you can turn it off if you don't need it, as it consumes some battery. Airplane mode, actually it improves battery as it's disabling any network features on your phone, but I don't recommend to actually turn it off. Next is screen recording. Make sure you're not recording your screen. There's nothing else right here. Actually, hotspot maybe that may consume your battery, but anyway, that would be everything that you can do to reduce your battery consumption on the Motorola Moto G15.